In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google AdSense to your hosting a website. This will be a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Hostinger's official website. Hostinger is a great platform that allows you to bring your ideas online with ease, and adding Google AdSense could potentially help you monetize your content. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to proceed. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, essentially the command center for your website. Here you should see the option labeled Manage next to the domain or site you wish to modify. Clicking on Manage will take you to another page where you can handle various site settings. Next, navigate to the section labeled WordPress. If your site is built on WordPress, Hostinger provides a seamless way to administer WordPress specific features. In the WordPress section, find and click on Overview. This area provides a glance at the current status of your WordPress installation, including updates and general health status. Moving on, head over to the Plugins area. Plugins are extensions that can add new features or enhance the functionality of your website, and they're essential for adding Google AdSense. If you haven't done so already, you'll want to install the Google Site Kit plugin. This plugin is crucial as it integrates Google's essential services directly into your WordPress dashboard. Once installed, clicking on the Google Site Kit will guide you through the setup process. The Google Site Kit plugin will offer you options to set up various Google services, including Google Analytics, Search Console, and most importantly for us, AdSense. Follow the prompts to connect your Google account and authorize the plugin to manage your website's data. After these steps, your website is now ready to start displaying ads. Google AdSense will automatically generate ads that are most relevant to your viewers, optimizing your earning potential. You can monitor the performance of these ads directly from the Google Site Kit dashboard within WordPress. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully integrated Google AdSense into your Hostinger website. This will allow your content to start earning revenue, thus making your hard work pay off. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for further assistance. Happy site building!